Hi friends, I hope everyone is fine. Today I will teach how you can install Traccar on your Linux server and configure it to be white labeled. To begin, we will need a cloud Linux server. Today, I'm using a DigitalOcean cloud Linux server. Here, if you sign up through my referral link, which is in the description, you get $200 credit for 60 days. First, you need to sign up, and after that, we'll see this type of dashboard. After creating your account, you'll need to create a droplet. For that, click on the Create button. Click on Droplet. Choose the region that is nearest to you. I'm selecting New York. Scroll down. Select Ubuntu. Here, I've selected the regular server option. You choose based on your needs. I'm selecting the server with 1 GB RAM, 25 GB SSD, 1000 transfer, and 1 CPU. This is sufficient for 100 vehicles. Create a root password. After that, click the Create Droplet button. It takes 3 to 4 minutes to set up the server. So, our droplet has been successfully created and is ready to use. To access the server, click on the console, through which you can directly access the server via the DigitalOcean dashboard. If you access the server from here, you won't need to enter the root login password. But today, I'm using PuTTY. So, close it. Paste the server IP address and open it. Click Accept. Enter your root username and password. For the installation of Traccar, we need some commands. We copy commands from here, and I also mention the commands in the description of the video. We copy this first command line and paste it into PuTTY. For pasting command lines in PuTTY, simply right-click in the console. Now, we copy and paste the second command. This command is used to create a user, password, and database for MySQL and give it privileges. So, here, set the username and password. Also, note down your username, password, and database name to use them in other commands. Press Enter. Paste the second command into the console and press Enter. After that, copy and paste the third command line into the console to download the Traccar zip file. Press Enter. After that, copy and paste the fourth command into the console to install Traccar and run it. Press Enter. Now, we copy the fifth command line and paste it into the console. This command is used to add database information in the Traccar configuration file. Press Enter. Now that everything is done, we need to start the Traccar service. To do this, we copy the last command and paste it into the console. Now, copy the IP address and paste it into the search bar, then append 8082 to the end of the URL to specify the port, and press Enter to search. The service start Traccar command may take 2 to 3 minutes to complete, so please be patient and wait for the service to start. Traccar web interface is successfully open. We have successfully installed Traccar on the Ubuntu server. Now, register a user for the admin. Enter the name, email, and create a password. Press the Register button after entering the required information. Now log in with your email and password. So we have successfully completed the installation process. In the next part, I will teach you how to white label the server. If you need any paid services, you can find my Fiverr profile link below in the description.